Kachay. First of all, happy 18th birthday to you. I know it's been a while nung last time na nakita kita and now you're 18 na. So, medyo nakakagulat kasi, wow, 18 ka na ngayon. But, yun, thank you for inviting me to be part of your special day. I'm always thankful to be a friend of you and being friends with you. Hindi ko man palagi nasasabi sa'yo, pero you are the kind of friend na pinapasalamat ko na nakilala ko ever since. I will always be here to support you all throughout ng magiging journey mo, kahit na I'm not always present beside you. Lagi pa rin akong nandyan to support and to be with you in every achievements and milestones na ma-achieve mo in your life. I wish for your happiness always, and I hope that you find happiness in every circumstances na dumating sa'yo, and wag mong kakalimutan unahin yung sarili mo. In everything that you do, don't forget to choose your happiness. I wish for blessings to come into your life. You being my friend is one of the greatest blessings na nangyari sa buhay ko, and it would always stay that way. Keep growing to a great lady that you are. And palagi lang akong nandito for you kahit ano. Kahit ano. Yun, may your life be filled with so much joy and warmth that you bring us. I love you so much and happy birthday.
Oh, picture taking. Next one, we have also Miss Sydney Abigail.
Happy 18th birthday, Chachay. May your life be filled with joy and success. Enjoy your special day. I will always be here for you through ups and downs, more years of friendship and memories to come. Thank you for being my friend, sister, sometimes nanay na rin.
Thank you so much, picture taking. Third to the last, we have Miss Mary Angeline Dimson.
So, welcome to Legality, lady. Enjoy your day, and ang wish ko for you ay still the same pa rin naman. May this year bring you closer to your dreams and aspirations. When it comes to problems, or kahit any random ganap in your life, kahit gaano ka little details lang yan, you can always call me. And remember na, I may not be the first person you will call, but whenever you are ready, I can lend you my ears, shoulders, and handkerchief. Also, thank you so much for being part of my life for 10 years and counting. Those memories with you are all unforgettable and memorable. Enjoy your day. Enjoy the rest of the day. I love you. And PM ko na lang sa'yo.
There you go. Thank you so much, Angel. Next, second to the last, we have Miss Maria Ann Charisse Guitarita.
Happy 18th birthday, Chai. First of all, I want to say thank you for being the best friend / kapatid na din minsan for me. Thank you for not getting tired of listening to all my rants in life and for always being there for me. I know na hindi mawawala ang struggles in life, but always keep fighting until matupad mo lahat ng dreams mo. Andito ako palagi para suportahan ka sa lahat ng bagay and makinig kung kailangan mo ng kausap. Ang wish ko sa'yo is maging masaya ka lang palagi and matupad mo lahat ng dreams mo. Wait lang. Basta always remember that I am forever grateful na naging magkaibigan tayo. I may not be able to express it through words, but I hope that you can feel it through my actions. Happy 18th birthday ulit sa'yo, te. I love you.
Thank you so much. And the last one.
Hello, happy birthday, ladies. Or chatay na lang. Kinakabahan ko. Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa friendship natin na sa pagkakwentuhan, sa tawanan natin at banding. Saka naging komportable ako nung pag, yung after pandemic, kasi naging close. Saka, marami rin akong sa'yo nalaman at natutunan na minsan ginagawa ko na rin kasi marami akong natutunan sa'yo, promise. Tapos nagpapasalamat din ako sa mga tulong na ginawa mo sa akin, saka kahit maliit to, malaki. Tapos, saka yung mga sinabi ko sa iyo ng mga bandings, pagkukwentuhan natin, hindi ko siya matatawaran at sa akin, special sa akin yung mga memories na yan. Siyempre, kung ano man yung gusto mong gawin, susuportahan kita. Ngayon na may panibagong yugto, mag-a-adulthood ka na, syempre, panibagong environment naman yan. Nakakaba siya kasi ako rin kinakabahan. Pero sa simula pa lang yan, kaya wag mo overthink. Paunti-unti lang ang iyong hahakbangin dahil ang buhay ay hindi karer. Ay, huwag ka mamadaliin. Pero sa bawat hakbang sa tinatahak mo ay isa ring landas papunta sa iyong pangarap. Mahirap man sa simula, pero alam kong kaya mo itong lagpasan. Kung may problema ka man, maaasahan mo naman ako. Hindi ko naman mapapangako na palagi ako nandyan, ngunit gagawin ko lahat ang aking matutulong. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo ngayon, saka matupad yung wish mo kanina sa cake mo. Happy birthday, love you!
Very good. Thank you so much. Picture taking. Okay. One more. Alright, so Chai, please. Candles. One by one. Come on. There you go. Few more left. Sige, ilapit nyo po yung ibang candles. Yung mga nasa likod. May all your wishes and their wishes for you, Chachay, may come true. There you go. Konti na lang. Okay.